Building the tallest skyscrapers. How engineers do it. Have you ever seen a really tall building that touches the sky? These buildings are called skyscrapers. Engineers and architects work together to build these amazing structures. But how do they make sure that skyscrapers don't fall down? Let's learn how engineers build the tallest skyscrapers step by step. Planning and designing. What do they plan? Location. Where will the skyscraper be built? Purpose. Will it be for offices, homes, or hotels? Height. How tall will it be? Shape. Will it be square, round, or another shape? Planning and designing. Example, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the tallest building in the world. Before building it, engineers planned everything carefully to make sure it could stand tall and strong. Choosing the right materials. Important materials. Steel, a strong metal that supports the weight of the building. Concrete, used for making the base and floors. Glass, windows and making the building look beautiful. Strong cables, to help the building stand during strong winds. Choosing the right materials. Example, the Empire State Building in New York was built using a lot of steel, making it one of the strongest buildings in the world. Making a strong foundation. The foundation is the bottom part of the skyscraper. It holds the entire weight of the building and keeps it from falling over. Types of foundations. Deep foundations. Engineers dig deep into the ground and place strong pillars to support the building. Pile foundations. Long metal or concrete poles go deep into the ground to hold the building firmly. Making a strong foundation. Example, the Shanghai Tower has a foundation that goes deep into the earth to keep it safe from earthquakes and storms. Building floor by floor. Skyscrapers are built one floor at a time. Engineers use big machines like cranes to lift materials to the top. Steps. Build the foundation. Add steel frames for support. Place floors one by one. Add walls and windows. Building floor by floor. Example, the Willis Tower in Chicago was built floor by floor, reaching a height of 110 stories. Keeping the skyscraper safe. Tall buildings face many dangers, such as strong winds, earthquakes, and fires. Engineers make sure skyscrapers stay safe. How do they keep it safe? Windproof designs. Special shapes help the wind move around the building. Shock absorbers. These help during earthquakes. Fire safety. Fireproof materials and emergency exits keep people safe. Keeping the skyscraper safe. Example, the Taipei 101 skyscraper has a big metal ball inside it that helps keep the building stable during earthquakes. Making it beautiful. Skyscrapers are not just strong, they are also beautiful. Architects design them to look unique and modern. Beautiful features. Glass windows give a shiny and modern look. Lights make the building glow at night. Unique shapes. Some buildings look like spirals or waves. Making it beautiful. Example, the Petronas Towers in Malaysia have beautiful twin towers with shining glass windows. The future of skyscrapers. Engineers are always coming up with new ideas to build even taller and smarter skyscrapers. Future ideas. Eco-friendly buildings, using solar panels and wind energy. Smart skyscrapers. Buildings that use computers to save energy. Floating cities. Some engineers dream of building skyscrapers on water. The future of skyscrapers. Example, the Jeddah Tower in Saudi Arabia will be taller than the Burj Khalifa when completed.